Friends, welcome again, and this is my new project, freight management system, and I have developed this project in Python, Django, and the database I am using the MySQL, and the Django version currently I am using is Django version 1.11 and the Python version is 2.7. Right, so this is the backend part and the server part. For front end part, I am using the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and many of the jQuery library for giving the project some good effects, just like integration of the date plugins and the integration of the form validations has been done from the jQuery plugins. Right, and also this is a mobile responsive theme, means if you open this website in the mobile, then the screen will be fitted out according to the mobile, and if you open the screens into the tab as well as the desktop, then the screen will not be distorted, it will be synced and fit according to the size of that screen's layout. Right, so this is totally a responsive design. Right, and this is the HTML5 and bootstrap theme, means you can open it any of the screen size. Right, so let's start with the functionality. So the project title is freight management system and technology is Python and MySQL using the Django framework. Right, so there are two type of users available in this project. The first one is the forwarder and second one is the carrier. Right, so this is the home page of the project. So you can see this is the home page of the project. This is the about us. Right, from where you can change the about us from your about us theme. This is the registration. So in registration there are two parts. Right, so you are going to register as a forwarder or you are going to register as a carrier. Right, so if you register as a forwarder, then you will get a separate dashboard with different functionality layouts, but if you log in with the carrier or register with the carrier, then you will get the separate layouts. Right, so this is all about the things. Right, so this is the form, you can see, and what is, you can fill the form, and after that you will get the registration. Right, so this is the login part from where you will be able to log in. So this is a role based system, means from a single login form, forward and carrier will be login, and according to their roles the internal functionality and internal layout and internal modules will be changed. Forwarder will able to see to which is module to which modules are assigned to forwarder, but carrier will be able to see which modules will be assigned to the carrier. So this is the feature of the project, means from a single login form we handled both of the system. Right, okay, so this is the reset password, but email will not be sent from here. Right, and this is the sign up from where you will be able to sign up. Right, this is the login. This is the contact us part. So you can see this is the contact us part. Right, and you can see this is the Google map I have integrated. Also I am not saving the data of contact us part anywhere. Right, so you can see this is the Google map which is here, and this is a real Google map, and this Google map will work only and only if you have the internet connection on your desktop or system. Right, so I am going to log in as a forwarder. Right, so that is a forwarder and test. So once I log in inside the system as a forwarder, then what can I do? So I add, because I am a forwarder, right, then I can add the freight, I can see the freight report, I can make the freight archives and my account and change password. Right, so these things I can do. Right, also the about menu is also available here. Right, and also I will be able to see all of the offers which has been placed by the carrier. Right, this is the feature. Okay, so this is the add new freight. So this is the form of the add new freight. So what is the freight title? Freight from city. So this is the from city and to city. Also I want to say you that all of the drop downs are dynamic, none of the drop down is static, means all the value of all of the drop down is coming from the database, not from the uh, code. Right, so if you want to add or remove cities or country, then you will be able to do it from the database. Right, so this is a from city to city freight quantity. So one more thing I want to show you. So if you, this is the validation, you will not be able to enter the character in this quantity, because this is a this is only be a number. Right, so you can enter the number, but if you want to paste the character inside it, then it will not be so this is the date plugin, and delivery date and date of publishing, pickup countries, delivery country length, cm, and these all things are available here. Right, so this is add freight report. So all the freight which you have added will be displayed here. Right, so you can see these things here. Right, so the freight image is coming here. Right, if you click on the freight image, then you will be able to see the freight details. Right, and if you click on the archive, then that freight will be archived. Right, and it will be displayed. So I am going to archive this freight number 4. So once I click on the archive, then the freight number 4 is going to be archived. Now if I click on the archive freights, then I will only be able to see the archive freight. So as I told you that the freight number 4 I have archived, that's why it's coming here. If I make it non-archive, then it will go back to the freight report. So you can see this put back to the freight report. This is the all offer section, right? So because the forwarder is posting his all of the freights information, and carrier will be able to see, then carrier will be able to send the offer to that forwarder. Okay, I can do this, I can take this amount, means he will be able to send the message to the forwarder, means he will be able to make an offer for that freight, right? For So you will be able to see that details, that you will be able to see that what is the details here, right? Okay, so see, this is all of also my account section, from where you will be able to update your account details, and the change password, from where you will be able to change the password, and the logout section, right? So once you log out, then above menu will be changed, because this is the rule based login. Then above menu has been displayed, changed, right? Now I am going as a carrier, right? So this is the carrier, right? And what is the carrier? Carrier will be able to see the freight details only. Then once I click on the freight lookup, right, or all freights, right, then carrier will be able to see all of the freights, right, all of the non-archived freight, not the archived freight, and he will be able to see the details, right? And he will be able to place an offer. So if you, so that all offers will be displayed here. So okay, okay, I can uh, carry this freight, this freight, this freight, okay, with good price, right? So once I click on the submit, then that offer will be submitted, and that offer will only be displayed for that freight owner, right? Means the forwarder. So this is the all freights, right? And also if I go on the dashboard, right, then you will be able to show freight lookup, so the same things will be displayed, right? So this is all about the freight lookup. So carrier will be able to see all of the freight details, and he will be able to make an offer to that forwarder. So this is all about the project, the freight management system, right? So if you need, I am not saying that this is a very big project, but yeah, it's a good project for managing the freight. So if you need more functionality in this project, just post it into comment. I will incorporate those changes. Also I will make this project according to your requirements. If you have a specific requirement, just email it to me. I will integrate those requirements in this project also. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for getting the latest video updates on the latest projects. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.